Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Eros Sparkles. This segment is part 9 of my capsule titled All That Glitters is Gold If Your Mind Believes So. The title for this segment is Unconditional Love. Is it possible? Before we get into the topic, just a brief introduction about me for those who watch my channel for the first time. I also request you to watch the video till the end to get a comprehensive view of the content. If you like the segment, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and press the bell button. Before addressing the question, unconditional love, is it possible? We will try to understand what is love in the first place. Love is an extremely strong emotion in our planet. It has capacity to heal and to cure, to build and to restore, to renew and reform, to translate and transform our lives as well as others. In general parlance, love is perceived as the emotional concept of romance, but love is far more than that. Love comes in 4 different forms: Phileo, Eros, Storge, and Agape. Philoes is the love between friends and family members. It is usually called brotherly love. That is why Philadelphia is called the city of brotherly love. Eros is of romantic or sensual type involving passion, longing, craving, and desire. Storge is parental love, and Agape is the love of Almighty or cosmic consciousness. People often confuse between the terms loving and liking. If you are thinking to pluck a beautiful flower, it would mean that you like the flower. If you want to water the plant to grow more of such flowers, then you really love those flowers. Love is a basic and a fundamental value, but liking is a preference which is subjected to change depending on how we approach life situations. Having talked about what love is, let's explore more on what are the limitations of love. Love is certainly possible when we don't expect anything from others to fulfill our desires. Once we drop these expectations, we can learn how to love. Then everything that happens fulfills us. For one thing, we never feel frustrated because in the first place, we never expected. Ideally, if we accept with gratitude whatever life brings to us, complaints and grumbling disappear. So the question is it possible in real life? Osho says that life is given to us and we are alive. Light is present. We have to make a bridge between life and light, and the bridge is love. Ordinarily, when you are in love, you become more unconscious. That is lust, the lowest denominator. It is the lowest rung of the ladder. Of course, it belongs to the ladder, but it is the lowest rung. At the highest rung, there is tremendous consciousness. And if you cannot be conscious in the presence of your lover, where else you will be conscious? Logic belongs to the past, love belongs to future. Dalai Lama maintains a living link with 13 predecessors. He adopted a policy called the Midway towards China. He said that his commitment in life as a Buddhist monk is the promotion of harmony among the different religions. Despite their different concepts and philosophies, all the chief religious traditions bring us the same message of love, compassion, tolerance, and self-discipline. The expression of love is also essential at birth. Since our first instinct was to suck milk from mother's breast, we instinctively feel closer to our mother. If she is angry or unhappy during breastfeeding, the flow of milk is restricted. When a doctor lacks empathy, unfriendly, or impassioned, even he is very famous and his diagnosis is correct. With the most effective remedies, the sick person is still in distress. True love does not stem from the pleasure of feeling close to other person, but from the conviction that other people are just like me and they also should not suffer. The virtue of unconditional love is a noble one, no doubt. But when we recognize that our ideals don't match with others' expectations, unfortunately, loving unconditionally will be impossible. Children, of course, need to be loved without conditions. As they struggle through life, we need to be patient and offer guidance repeatedly. By loving unconditionally, we create a climate for safe environment for their emotional well-being. Without the practice of extreme tolerance, showing unconditional love is just impossible. Remember, it requires an enemy. As adults, we also have necessity for safe relationships. We want to trust that a partner or loyal friend will be there to help us when we needed them. The challenge in every healthy relationship is being responsive to others and also satisfy our own needs and aspirations in life. Unconditional love, though being popularly advocated, it fails to recognize the necessity to promote change within when things don't go in our way. Relationships become stronger only when we both have a capacity for self-care and welfare of others in practical sense. We have a need not only to love but also to be loved. Unconditional love may be unrealistic ideal. Rather, we can choose a path to be sensitive to others' feelings and also being fairly responsive to our own legitimate feelings. Then, can we call Agape as unconditional love? Here again, one may have more expectations from supreme power than from others. Expectations can be for oneself or for others. Either case, it cannot be unconditional love. Nevertheless, in reality, if the love is selfless and with detached attachment like water drops on lotus leaf, agape love toward divine and cosmic power can truly be translated into unconditional love. In other types of love, it is always questionable. So, mutual love can only survive under certain critical conditions. A flower needs at least sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to grow. We cannot expect love to thrive under unfavorable conditions. Here, I leave these thoughts with you to ponder over and draw your own conclusions. Thanks for watching. If you like, please comment. And subscribe. See you soon in my next video. In the meantime, this is Satya signing off. Goodbye.